There's a birdie in my front yard. She's looking for some sticks. There, she found one, and she's gonna fly over to that tree over there. She's getting ready to fly. There she goes. Nope, that's too big. Oh, she's still really trying. Do you see her? She's trying to find a stick that works for her little nest. She's still trying to find a stick. Did she find one? Oh, that's too big. That's too big. Still finding. I think she found it. I think she's ready to fly. There she goes. There she goes. Into her nest. She's building a nest over there, and I think she's gonna come back. Come back, little birdie. There she comes. There she comes. Oh! There she is again. She's looking for some sticks. She likes her front yard. She comes back to our front yard to pick up some sticks. Can she find one? I think she found one. I think she's gonna fly again. Are you ready to fly? There she goes. There she goes. All the way up to her nest. She's building a nest over there. I think she's gonna come back again. There she is. Do you see her? Oh, there she goes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Whoa! She's here to pick up more sticks. Those are big sticks, miss. I think this is a mommy bird. I think she's building a nest for her little chicks, probably. Well, is she ready? Oh, there she goes. There she goes. I think she's gonna come back again. Come on back. This is hard work. Oh, there she comes. There she comes. Whee! There she is. More sticks. More sticks, please. I wonder how many sticks it takes to build a nest for her family. I think she found one again. There she goes. Wow. That's amazing. I'll wait for her to come back one more time. There she is. She's coming closer to me. Did she find one? I think she did. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. There she goes. Come back, little birdie. There she comes. Wow. I can watch her all morning. She's still looking for the sticks. I think she found it. Oh no, that's too big. That's too big. Let's find something maybe middle, like a middle size. Medium size. Oh, that's a prickly little bush there. Be careful. Oh, be careful there. I think she found it. I think she's ready. There she goes. There she goes.